Hi everyone, this is KJB Vlogs. I'm your actor based here in Saudi Arabia and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin ito ng reaction video. Ang Dawn Bell. So sinerch ko talaga Dawn Bell Emotional. So titignan natin dito yung mga acting skills nila for today's video. And of course, baka may mga latest chika din naman dito. So without further ado, let's all watch this. Pero may concern lang ako. Bakit kayo lumalabas sa FYP ko ngayon pag Dawn Bell ang sinesearch ko? Mga lumang video. Bakit kaya? Pero usually, hindi ko talaga siya napanood yun. So yeah, panoorin natin to. Ay, napanood. Si Donnie, napabilib nila ako dito sa scene na to. Si Donnie emotional, si Donnie galit. Si Belle kasi given na magaling talaga si Belle. Pero kay Donnie, nagulat talaga ako. Ay! Char! Ganun? May halikan pala naganap? Ganun? Wala bang behind the scene to? Behind the scene, no? Ay, before you sleep, oh my God. Of course. Kinilig na si Belle. Di mong mga bituin. I love this song. Ay. Said, of course, of course. A lot of times. Wala, emotional ako. Nainis ako. Don is giving his speech. I don't know. Naiyak ako, sorry. Pag nakikita ko kasi si Bella umiiyak, nakakaiyak. Nakakainis. Uy, hindi ko na inaasahan. Try not to cry challenge pala to. Pinipigilan niya. Ay. Hindi ko alam, pag nakikita ko talaga si Belle na umiiyak, na ano ako, na higi emotional ako. Ganito siguro pag idol mo, no? Donnie comforting Belle. Okay. Oh my God, this scene though. This scene though. Grabe din yung scene na to eh. Bongga din tong scene na to eh. Hindi na din. Imposible mo lang may nagkilapat sa lips. Imposible. Imposible yun, dear. Ano ba yan? Sinipon tuloy ako. Naiyak ako eh. Gabi, no? Palusulog. What is this? Belle cried of so much happiness as soon as I her mom. Ay. Dressing muna. Ay. Grabe naman kasi. Ay, hindi ko pa ito napanood. Belle cried while she's talking. Hindi ko pa ito napanood.
Must come to an end, but it's not about the finish line naman.
Puyat pa dito ni Donnie.
It's about the path you took to get there.
Okay. Naiyak ko rin.
It's okay, Belle. It's okay.
Nakakontak naman.
Iyak din ako. Ano ba yan? Diyos ko, parang mali ata ginawa ko yung reaction video to. Parang happy-happy lang dapat.
His reaction when Belle was brought to the topic.
You said your family, you said other people too. So like people, like, you know, your co-actors, and like your love team.
Si Belle,
Yeah.
yes.
Ang ganda ng ano, yung ganda ng transition si Belle, diba?
How happy?
Very happy.
Or more than 10.
Hindi pwedeng 10, kailangan 100 pa
Wow,
talaga ako.
okay. So like 1,000.
Aray!
Happy si Donnie. Kitang-kita na.
Aray! Actually, when was... Ano? Kinilig si Donnie. Kinilig si Donnie. Kilig si Donnie doon. Kilig si Donnie doon. Okay. Ay! Uy.
Nung pinitch po sa akin to, hindi po mamang ang tawag ko sa kanya, si
Ay, hindi ko pa ito napanood.
Pero sinabi po sa akin kasi siya yung tuturing kong nanay dito sa show na to.
Mm.
And growing up, I was very close with my great grandmother. We did everything together. Literally, she would bring me to tennis practice. She would bring me to school. She lived with us actually. She lived with us, and I treated her like my mother as well. When my mom wasn't home, she was busy. And when I lost my great grandmother, I think it was 4 years ago.
Ang tough ni Donnie. Ayoko.
Parang wala pang nag-replace nun sa akin.
Tough ni Donnie.
Ang pangalan po niya ay Mamang. And I actually requested if we can call Mamang sa show para dun ko mahuhugot yung relationship namin. And I couldn't imagine anyone else perfect for the role but Tita Nova. Kasi grabe po yung binigay niya sa amin dito sa show.
Oh my God.
No.
Oh my God.
Kahit sobrang hirap ng eksena, kitang-kita na nahirapan na siya.
Oh my God.
Game pa rin. Kahit overtime na, siya ang unang magsasabi ng game, gawin po natin direct. Ano pong pwedeng gawin? Kaya, Tita Nova, maraming salamat po.
Oh my God, grabe. Hoy!
Never ko pong naranasan to with anyone else. Kasi iba po yung sobrang malapit po ako sa lola ko. So maraming salamat. Sa lahat po ng cast, ganun din po yung na-feel namin.
Ay.
Thank you so much for sharing those beautiful stories.
Ano? Try not to react. Try not to cry.
Yung tissue po natin sa venue.
Parang ayaw namin mag-end yung show, di ba? Parang ayaw
Oo, parang ang dami nilang i-share.
Talaga yung pagmamahal.
Ay, tapos na. Ay, ito ano to? Behind the scene?
Masaya ka para sa amin yun eh.
Ay, yung mama niya.
Nandito ka. Dito ka.
Ay, pinapractice nila.
Dito.
Then I
Uy!
know that he's getting emotional. Hold him. Tingin na kayong dalawa. Parang look at her. Parang then look at everyone.
Igot, Donnie and Belle.
Naiyak tuloy ako, okay. Ay, I love this. Ngayon po, ang dami ko, ang daming bago. Ah, okay. Yung photoshoot nila. Napaiyak ko. Parang ayaw ko na munang ituloy. Parang, na-miss ko tuloy yung mama ko. Nakakapanahon ako to eh. Alright, there you go guys. That is our for today's video, which is the Dawn Bell being emotional. Ako talagang emotional dito. So yeah, that is our for today's video. This is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!